How to link Square appointments to Facebook. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can link your Square appointment link, or let's say here table or calendar, to your Facebook page. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over facebook.com. We're going to head over the shortcuts and click on the page where we want to add the button. So basically we're going to add a action button. So in my case I have already an action button, so we are going to delete that button like that if you have already one. So I'm going to add another action button. We're going to click on try it. So we are going to head over here and we're going to add another button. So basically we are going to connect a scheduling tool so people can book. We're going to click on next. We're going to head over, connect another tool and not appointments on Facebook. And we are going to see all the, as you can see here, tools. We have Acuity Scheduling, Altegio, Appointed, Appointments for Square. So we are going to choose Appointment for Square. We're going to click on Continue, just like that. And we're going to see that it is going to give us here the option to log in. So we are going to basically log in. So here in this account, I currently do not have an account, so I'm going to, not an account, but basically a Square appointment account. So I'm going to sign in here real quick. I'm going to add my old account, sign in, and you're going to see it is going to be something different. I have already my password set up. So as you can see here, I have my Square appointments. This is it. We can head over here and see the channels. And we can see that it is going to be connectable. We're going to head over Facebook again. I'm going to click on continue. Normally it is going to detect the appointments dashboard. You're going to see it. And this is it. So we are going to continue. As you can see, it has confirmed. We're going to click on continue. Boom. We're going to click on continue again. And here it is. So it was that simple to connect your Square appointments to Facebook. We're going to wait for the Lincoln to set up, or let's say here to finish up. And here we go. So whenever a person is going to be on Facebook page or your Facebook page, it is going to see the action button, which is going to be, let's say here on the about section or the bio of your page. After that, when they click on it, it is going to redirect them to the sales channel, which is going to be the Facebook page, and it is going to let them set up, or let's say book an appointment within the range of the calendar. So this is it. And I'm going to refresh the page. So we are going to get here the space. So Jack's space, this is it. So we are going to click on it, click on the add or the call to action, and it is going to set up here the button. So this is it, powered by Square appointments. Normally it is going to be here. So in order to set up the appointments, it is going to be set into this page, or the call to action is going to be here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.